Put 2 drops of this into your ears and recover 97% of your hearing. The old people hallucinate. Many of us may believe that hearing problems are associated with age. However, the truth is that these types of conditions do not ask about age, sex, race or social status. We can all be affected by this type of problem as healthy as we seem. Therefore, it is important that we know what to do if we get to suffer it. Since hearing is an indispensable meaning for verbal communication, its malfunctioning can hinder the development of people. We can take the work as an example. If you do not listen to an order, you can gain a warning. Another case could be a driver trying to overtake you, but you do not listen to his horn, causing an accident. We already know that garlic has thousands of healing properties and applications. Even this one has been involved in mythical situations, like the vampires have terror. However, this time we will talk about how to apply it to solve hearing problems. Ingredients: garlic, 3 teeth. Olive oil, 1 bottle. Dropper cotton or gauze. Preparation and use: 1. The first step is to pick the garlic cloves, peel them and wash them well. Then we mash it thoroughly by anointing it with the olive oil to extract all the liquid possible. Then we take the extracted juice and place it in a dropper. 2. The substance obtained, let it rest all day to achieve a better effect. Finally, we apply 2 or 3 drops in each ear and blocking its exit with the cotton or gauze. When you apply it, you will see how gradually you are recovering your hearing. I ask,